Well, I wasn't actually thinking about going flying today because it is a little breezy, and it's also Super Bowl Sunday. We're about 3 hours away from kickoff, and all of a sudden I got this text. And then I saw a missed call from my buddy Ben, and he says, "Hey, you want to go flying?" Of course I want to go flying. So all the plans that I had to throw some fajitas on the grill and get some other things started went by the wayside because I'd rather go flying today, at least to get a couple hours in. So we're headed out to fly today. I'm just gonna take out the Carbon Z Cessna 150, and he's got his SU-35, whatever it is. You'll see when we get there. But anyway, he has one of the Sus, Russian jet, and so we're gonna do some breezy flying today. You wanna go? Then let's go. Hey, whoa, some breezy Sukhoi flying, huh? Yeah. It's pretty windy out here. How's she handling it?
Yeah, she's handling it good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I thought about just going home and not flying, but I had to get batteries charged up.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, it looks good. It's stable. It's like you have a gyro in there. Look at that. What wind? There's no wind out here. It's a good Russian pilot.
What is this thing? I see it with my eyes. It looks like a jet. Ooh, I want to fly. SU-35 from Freewing at motionofsea.com is a talk about the camel in the Russian scheme. 270 plus factory. You got to fly this thing. Andreas, in heavens, it makes me have to sing.
Yeah, I think Ben has this plane down, boy. He loves flying his jets. When he gets them down, he can really fly them. Put them between the tower and the wires, coming in low, hot. Guys, I'm sorry about there's wind noise in the microphone. I completely forgot. Wow, look at that vertical. My goodness. Wow. Twin 70s. Really pulling that bird. Really good vertical. But anyway, I apologize that there's wind noise in this. It is quite breezy today, and I did forget my microphone with the Jet Cat on it, which normally that completely blanks out most of the wind. But I had to get this flight in today. I'm flying the Cessna Carbon Z 150, but this flight footage, of course, is for Ben's gift from his wife after crashing his rebuilt, his rebuilt F-18 that went down the other day. And he's got this plane down already. Ben's a really good pilot. Well, that's a tight turn, tight loop. Nice. Oh, nice. I don't think I caught that, and I wasn't expecting that. Hope he does that again. See if I can catch it this time. Let's see. Nice. He should be landing here pretty soon. Guys, again, I apologize if this wind is in the microphone. I'm sure it is, because it is quite breezy. But you can't really tell from this this flight, because this plane is somehow really rock steady in this wind. I mean, rock steady. See how low that loop, that roll was? Only Ben. I wouldn't do that. You can do it up, landing gear down, coming in. Very nice. Full flight of the Freewing twin 70mm. And I don't remember what this is. If it's a SU-35 or SU-30, I don't remember. I think it's a SU-35. Here at the old Texas Stadium site. Guys, Texas Stadium used to be right there. And this is the parking lot of it. And I'm sorry, Texas Stadium's right there. Right there. All of this is parking. All this out here for acres and acres and acres and acres and acres and acres and acres. And now across the street, across the freeway, excuse me, is another, where am I? Yeah, right over there is where the other parking lot was. And I say was because they just ripped it apart. A company out of California bought all of that, and now they're developing it. This is still owned by the city out here. All that's now owned by FedEx. They bought that part over there. Another California developer bought all this out here. So this won't be here too much longer. We have no idea how much time we have. But we know this won't last too long. But look at all this flying space. Of course, we don't fly too much over there because the freeway is a little close over there. We did have, of course, that F-18 the first time it crashed. Because it hit that wire right there and actually went right next to the highway. So learned a lesson there about the depth of field back up there. And then Crazy Juan's brand new SU-30, I think he has. The red, white, and blue one. I think that's what it is. If that's not the right number, I'll post it up on the screen. It went down right over here, and that's where the new dart rail comes across. So we're right on the tracks over there, on the other side of the hill over there. The other night, so we were in the dark recovering his plane. Yeah, he crashed the other one. So sorry to see that. We don't know what happened. It was close to dark, so he may have lost orientation. I don't know, but it did go down, and that one's gone. But anyway, been a good day today. We got one more flight to get in before we take off for Super Bowl. Hope you guys enjoyed this flight.